I almost made a 100K licensing mistake, and I'm going to tell you what I learned about open source licenses. The thing is that I wanted to use PyMu PDF for handling PDFs with Python. The problem with PyMu PDF is its license. It's an AGPL license, a copyleft license. And this means if I use PyMu PDF and the user requests to see the source code of the app that uses the AGPL licensed software, I have to give it to him. And I thought, well, I can not use it because of this. And I dig deeper. The thing is, what I was building was a solution for a client as an internal tool. And I thought AGPL means I have to open source all the code to the internet, to the public on GitHub or somewhere else. But I found out it's like this, that the users who use the AGPL powered software, they can ask to see the source code. So in this case, it's our client's employees, and the code is already open source to them. So there's no risk on this side at all for this use case. And then I wondered what actually might happen to if I use it and somebody requests the source code and I don't give it to him. Yeah, we don't do this. Especially like not for an internal tool, but for a public facing tool, right? Like some application that everybody can use. And the thing is that the only entity that can sue you is the copyright holder, which is in this case PyMu PDF. And of course, this is not something they just do on the side for fun, but there must be some reason, there must be money behind it. So if you use it for a small project, first of all, they probably won't know that you use it, and second of all, they probably won't go after you. I don't say that you have to do it. I just was thinking about the dangers, right? Like the risks. And the real risk comes when you sell GPL powered software, right? There's AGPL and GPL. If you sell some such software and it becomes big, then PyMu PDF or the software you use, the AGPL powered software copyright holder can come and sue you. It happens rarely. It's the same with all software licenses, by the way, not only with GPL, but with others as well, right? Only the copyright holder can sue you. Okay, there are also certain other groups that have interest, that can send you letters and can do stuff on their behalf, but typically it's like the copyright holder. And then if you compare it, this copyleft license, AGPL, with permissive licenses, for example, you have the MIT license, you have BSD3 licenses, you have the Apache 2 license, and all of them you can use however you want commercially. They mean different things, right? MIT is very simplistic, and you can also use their name of the software that's built with MIT for endorsing your own product. You can say, hey, I'm powered by, what is it? Node. Node is MIT license, I think, right? You just have to put the license file in your software, somewhere there that people can see that it's MIT license, what you're using. And then you have the BSD3 license, and there just the difference is that you cannot use the name of the software to endorse your own product, as I understood it. For example, I think Django is BSD3 licensed. You cannot say, hey, my product is powered by Django, something like that. But it's also very similar. You just have to put the license file in your project. And with Apache 2, it's like the safest for you as the developer to use, because there you have like the patent right. Somehow it can happen somehow if you have an MIT licensed project. It's MIT licensed, but the creator creates a patent of it, gets a patent, and then it's still patented or something. With Apache 2, it's that you don't have to be afraid that somebody patented it in the back or something. So it's the safest for you to use. But there are also more, you have to follow a few more things, like you have to write some conditions, you have to put the file there as well. But in general, yeah, these are the more permissive ones that are generally recommended to use if you build some tool where you don't want to pay license fees and you want to use it commercially, right? So yeah, I hope that helped you. It definitely helped me. I was reading about it whole afternoon.